Dynamite. Can't speak French.
Thanks for Dynamite. You can speak French.
Dynamite.
Oh my. On the railroad, as you pass the time away, and you hear the whistle blowing, rise up so early in the morning, and you hear the captain strolling, Dinah, blow your horn, Dinah, won't you blow, Dinah, won't you blow, Dinah, won't you blow your horn? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow your horn? Someone's in the kitchen with Dinah. Someone's in the kitchen, I know. Someone's in the kitchen with Dinah. Thank you, all music lovers. My only sunshine, you make me happy. That's why you're great. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. The after night, dear, and I will stay. I'd rather have you in my arms. I live escaping, so I lay my head and try. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy, it's why I agree. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away.
Can we stop for shopping?
No more shopping.
No more shopping.
No more shopping.
Daisy, Daisy, give me your answer too. I am crazy over the love of you. It won't be a stylish marriage. I can't afford a carriage, but you look sweet upon the seat of a bicycle built for two. That you love me true. If your love like glowing in your eyes so blue, let me call your sweetheart. I'm in love with you. It sure is true when you say I love you. It's a sin to tell a lie. Millions of hearts have been broken just because these words were spoken. I love
about the Mingo?
This guy.
You know anything about the Mingo?
Look at that. Look at
How's he doing?
You know.
Oh, my.
Look at how he's getting up.
We don't want to be behind it. We want to be in front of it.
Your grandmother lived to be 109, but you might not.
You're not gonna make it.
Because we are happy, that's why.
You're not going to be so happy.
Look at that
Look at the
car.
guy where
Wow.
he's digging cars out.
Where is the typhoon? That's in a typhoon now. This?
I was lucky.
Where's this guy going?
No wonder the kids get this month
You
off for
make
vacation.
so damn best, the very best.
God.
Hey, it's gonna get worse,
Oh,
Phil.
yeah, pull on.
เปิดหน้าต่างแล้ว เปิดหน้าต่างแล้ว
Where's he going? What's he doing?
Tell me. Oh, he's already going so fast, he's buying it.
เก่งจริงเว้ยโอ้โหแบบหน้าเลยหน้าเว้ย
No, he's not.
It's a hey, it's a decent.
Shifting cargo.
You ever notice those military vehicles, those diesels that have
I'm sleeping now. That's mister. She's so slow.
The whole city is just about underwater.
Look at that. The whole
เราต้องขยับฟังฟังใหม่
Is this the main part of Texas?
ฟังนี่ฟังนี่
What's the name of this? Is this Siam Center? Siam?
We didn't know we were secure, though.
Ah, now air condition.
Air, some air.
Yeah. Ah. มาขายเนี่ยเอาหน้าต่างลงเนี่ย
Zalto, Zalto.
right out.
Thank God.
No, she wants
This is blowing that hard.
No, I don't.
You don't want air condition?
They live like this all the time. They don't.
They really got a problem here.
There. There's all the bunch of stuff.
Yes, it takes him much time. I go. They're selling.
We just have a little more to go, and then we're going up the hill.
What's beyond
Why,
the
were
hill?
you there before?
What's beyond the hill?
I meant beginning.
God.
Having fun. You pay for this? You pay for this?
I did. It's my wife's money.
Oh, she's treating you. This is the way you're treating your husband?
Cook on the sidewalk. Half of them are pushing now.
Poor guys on their motorcycles.
You can see over here, they're all pushing all the cars the other way.
Guy in front of us is being towed.
Oh, yes.
Motorcycles carrying.
Unless it's come from a warehouse.
This is the Russia. I don't know. I can't understand anything on words. I just hope that his brakes hold.
Look at the tab.
He's been going the other direction.
Yeah, look at this. They're not going to be.
Yeah, going anywhere.
It's a fire truck.
God
I hope
forbid.
it's not going to a
We
fire.
take 2 minutes, alright, 2 minutes before we get to the restaurant.
Show you the sushi. Don't worry, she'll get us to the
Yeah, like I told you this before we are leaving from the hotel. Our trip we get right to the outskirts of the suburb. That's why it's so far. Not right in the main city. The city will be alright, not necessarily along this area. Okay, we take 2 minutes.
Going back won't be so bad.
I beg your pardon?
When we go back,
In fact, our hotel right in the city.
you'll ride it.
Yeah.
So,
You want to swim back? You want to swim back?
I don't want to swim
So I
back.
can ride a speedboat for you.
Don't make jokes.
Maybe these are drive on us. But you won't.
Here's a girl riding side saddle. She's still running.
But he didn't say distinctly that we won't go there this way. He didn't say that.
Just answer back to the hotel.
There's only about 30
Here's the Playboy Club.
The topless club sign.
That's where we're going.
All right, here we are, ladies and gentlemen.
Very good. I think our
The pictures that they're earning, but they're earning something.
Welcome to the Cigarettes restaurant. I hope you enjoy with us. What song do you like? Can you introduce me?